You're saying you're going to do something here, maybe?
This is Monday's job.
Oh, Monday's
job?
job?
Yeah, I'm doing it on Monday. I was hoping to do it before
Monday?
Come back Monday. Yeah, so I'm going to bring a pondless using these existing rocks.
These are fantastic, aren't they?
They certainly are. Apparently, it was the whole area the whole estate is full of rocks like this, and it was in the ground when the houses were built, and so they used them to.
So they've put them in with the machine.
Yeah. Let me show you before we get here. We have a natural stream running through.
Oh, let's have a look at that.
And he's building steps down to it.
Yes.
You see it even more through there. So yeah, he's going to carry on this porcelain paving, building some steps so you can go right to this now. Yeah, just started to do that. Yeah, it's a fantastic stream. But yeah, it runs right through. He's having this built as well.
So essentially it comes down.
Yeah.
So this is natural completely.
Yeah.
And then it just runs
and then it goes into
the garden.
blocks. Yeah.
And then it keeps going.
Yeah. Coming up between his just a little small one. It's got the lights.
Ah, that's beautiful.
Just coming away. Although I had to build this up because as you can see.
Yeah.
Obviously you don't want to go up to the fence. It comes away there.
It just brings that sound.
Yeah, that's it. It's only a small one.
And you can control it as well.
Yeah. And then we have a feature up here.
Ah, look at that.
That's the spillway that spills all the way around, which I've never used until this job. And I just planted this area up.
Dining area and barbecue.
Yeah. I planted all the area up. Painted the fence black, so it looks great.
Did you put these two in at the same time?
No, that one first.
That one
probably 4 or 5 months ago.
Yeah.
And then that one again, probably 2 months ago.
Yeah.
And then Monday we start the big waterfall at the front.
Yeah. Great stuff. Let's go and have a look at some more.
Next, we're going to just up the road. We're going to see Derek and Angela's rather large koi pond in a different sort of koi pond.
A different size.
Yeah, it's in a square.
Let's go and have a look.
In a brick wall like this.
Nice. Let's go and have a look.
Right, so this was an existing pond built within just a flat edge pond with old style filter, as you can imagine, hanging over the edge. We brought in 16 tonne of rock, I believe, and 4 tonne of gravel. And you can see on there, there's some big rocks in here.
Yeah.
And just built it up. There's waterfalls, 1,000 skimmer there with 2 pumps. There's jets. There's a system of jets in the bottom because it's 5 foot deep. This you can't really tell, but it's, believe it or not, it's nearly 5 foot deep. And the fish from an existing pond and the lilies from the existing pond going back. And there's your skimmer on there, just planted up.
So what was there before? There was a big,
just a square bottom pond with pumps in the middle.
5 foot deep
coming down there. Yeah, 5 foot deep.
Yeah.
Well, it's actually 4 foot deep because we had there's an overflow there, and then I raised it.
Yeah.
Just put an elbow on the thing like that.
How did they find you then? So they had a problem with the old pond?
Yeah, well, it was just it was just ugly. Is the truth. Angela didn't like it. It was ugly. And the big ugly pipe sticking out on the back and pumps on the bottom, and it was just full of algae and leaves on the bottom because there was no skimmer.
Yeah.
And so we took the glass off the side there and then just brought our rocks in.
Yeah.
And
so there was
turned on.
So there was glass here before.
Yes, the glass was already here.
And there's a gate.
There's a gate there. Yeah. So we just took the glass out and brought rocks in this way.
Yeah.
Lots of underlay and liner, and just brought it back up to the edge. You see.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's big.
And you put it under. Did you put it in, or did you seam that? How did you fix it to the wall?
Yeah, it's been seamed to the wall. That it was already in that one.
Yeah. So the air's on the timer. So how often does it come on?
I think he does it on for 15 minutes and then off for half an hour, and pretty much every hour.
Yeah. So again, that adds circulation.
So there's always constant moving water.
So you've got jets. You've got
there's a big jet system here. We've got 2 pumps circulating.